how to add fade out animation in Wix Studio. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to add an animation type fade out into your Wix website. So we are going to head over wix.com, sign in for an account and choose the website that has the built on Wix Studio label, just like that. As you can see, this is the one. If you do not have a website yet built on Wix Studio, you can go ahead and create a new one and select or try Wix Studio. I'm going to click on select and edit. Once we have did that, we're going to face up the dashboard of the website. Then we are going to click on edit site. Either you are going to be on the page of setup or home. It is going to be the same. Once you have did that, you're going to wait for a few seconds until you are going to see the website that you have created. Now, what we're going to do basically is to click on the elements that we want to add the animation to. For example, you can apply the animation to a section, to a part of a section, or whatever. So the most important thing in here is going to select the part that you want to have the animation in. Let's say that I am going to implement it into that text. So I'm going to click or select that text, as you can see. I'm going to select that text. As you can see, we have the section grid, the cell, the stack, and also the text. I'm going to select only the text. I'm going to open up the inspector. And from here, we're going to see at the specific section in here or the inspector, animation effects. Click on it. And then we're going to have, for example, the entrance, the hover, the click, the scroll, the loop. For the entrance, we can go ahead and have, for example, the fade. You can go ahead and have the fade. Just like that, you can adjust and also set it up. Now, to be more specific, if you need, for example, a fade in and also a fade out, you need to be more specific. For example, I'm going to remove the entrance effect. You can have the hover, for example, you can have another fade, just like that, and you can go ahead and adjust the animation. So, as you can see, we have the fade, the type, in and out. I'm going to select out. The duration, you can control it, and also the delay, and also the easing. You can have the ease in and out, ease in, ease out, linear. So you can go ahead and click on preview. This is the fade out. Now you can go ahead also and apply it on, for example, other like clicks. You can have the fade, click on adjust only, and you're going to see the type of the fade. Select out, and you're going to have the duration, also the ease or the delay. So I'm going to have it just like that. And as you can see, we have the fade out. Also, it is going to be compatible for all the nearly all the effects or the animation that we have. For example, the scroll, I think that you are not going to have it on the scroll. We have the loop that you cannot add it to a text, and also the mouse effect. But that was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you on the next one.